Hey guys, welcome to another episode here with A&A Mustang. Today we are putting this in there. I already got started a little bit. We had some technical difficulties with our camera, but I pretty much just trimmed this around here, trim this and trim that. Pretty much what we're going to do now is kind of mock this in there, see how it's going to look. Mark everywhere I need to actually cut more, so I'm not gonna cut. I'd rather cut like 3 times and then do it 3 times than cut once and it's too short or something. So we're gonna mock it up, mark it, cut it, mock it up until it looks good. So we're getting pretty close to making it look back like a car again. So stay tuned and follow along. Alright guys, so we're getting close here. As you can see, we're kind of mocking it up. I still do have to cut a little bit more here, and just a little bit up here. Other than that, everything around, it's gonna fit pretty good from what I can see. It's just a matter of getting everything at the ends to match up good. So we're gonna cut here and then probably mock it up again. We're probably gonna repeat that process like 3 times like I said before, and then hopefully here by the end of today we have it all cut up where we need to, and maybe even start tacking it on. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so far we got this pretty close in there. As you can see, we got our trunk, one of our trunks in here. So I know we need to go a little bit in here, about a 1/4 inch. It's actually not that bad. So I just wanted to make sure. And then from what I can see, we need to go up maybe 3/16 of an inch here. Just very little there so that it lines up. Other than that, I mean, everything is looking good. Our trunk is latched there, so we're just gonna move this piece up a little bit, and then go forwards, I guess, a little bit back there. But other than that, we're almost there, pretty much where it's supposed to be. So yeah, everything's looking good. On our door jamb over here, it also looks good, so everything is lined up pretty well here. So you can see, we gotta get everything together and weld it, but yeah, we just gotta keep working and get it the best we can. So. Alright guys, so after a whole day of work, you can see the quarter panel is pretty much ready to be welded in there. We got our door gap, 1/4 inch, pretty much what it's normally at. We have our trunk gap here, same thing, that's even a little bit less, but that's the same as the other side. And then we got our tail light put here on the back, so everything looks good. Everything is lining up, all the body lines. So pretty much everything is good to go. We're pretty much just gonna tomorrow or the day after, we're gonna start tack welding it and get it all back together. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. We're gonna start welding this and then probably start sanding and getting prepped for paint. Thank you for watching. You guys, please subscribe. Have a great day.